Today is Thursday. We do have after school tutoring. Tutoring today has to be cut short, so it's going to be from 2 to 3 or 2:15 to 3 p.m. Our agenda is on the board. We've already done our EOG review. I'm going to go over the homework. I'm going to set the timer for about 5 minutes. And then we have a group assignment where we're going to be working on sample questions that are going to be on our test for tomorrow. Okay? All right. Set the timer. Any questions about the homework? I need to address that now. Any questions about Monday? Please look at Monday. We did most of it. Any questions about Tuesday? Any questions? Yes. Tuesday? Which one? No, just which one? Pick a one.
Yes, number 3.
Number 3? Okay. They're all the same, so just pick a number so I can better. Because if I go broad, you're going to be like, what the heck is she talking about? All right, so let's do 2. 2 and 3. Somebody asked for 3 first, so I'm going to do 3 first, okay? All right. It says the coordinates. I'm going to rewrite the coordinates that they want you to translate. 7, 5. They want you to reflect it over the x. So since you're reflecting it over the x, you're flipping it over the x. The x is going to stay the same. So my x is still going to be 7. Okay? My x is still going to be 7. But now, since I'm flipping it over to x, instead of it being 5 units up, it's going to be 5 units down. So this is going to be a negative 5. This is reflection over the x. If you're not sure, then you need to take a piece of graph paper and physically flip it over the x-axis, okay? Then it says dilation. That means that it's going to either get bigger or smaller. It's by a scale factor of 3. So that means that K is equal to 3. It's going to be 3 times as big. When you are dilating, you multiply whatever the scale factor is times both the x and the y. So we're going to multiply 3 times the 7 and 3 times the negative 5. So our new location is going to be what? What's 3 times 7? 21. And then, please don't do that. Then what is 3 times a negative 5? Negative 15. Okay, I'm going to pause for the calls. Give us a chance to write that down. All right, here we go. Translate means to slide, folks. So when we're sliding, okay, we're going to slide every single thing 6 units up. So from here, everything is going to go 6 units up, okay? So D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is D prime. F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is F prime. E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is E prime. Amen. Okay? So translate means to slide. I'm going to pause to give you a chance to slide every single one of those points up 6 units. Shh. All right, so now we're going to dilate. This is a scale factor of 2. So to do a scale factor of 2, you're going to multiply every single x and y value here by 2. So my new location for D, now it's prime, but bless you, because this is the second location, and it kind of got cut off, so let me just write it down here. D prime, I multiply 2 times both x and y. So 2 times a negative 2 is negative 4. 2 times this 3 is 6. Now we're doing E. Second time E has been moved. Prime. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. That's the new location for E. The new location for F, that's F prime. Second time F has been moved. 2 times 0 is 0. And then 2 times a negative 1 is a negative 2. Now, lastly, all you do is graph these ordered pairs and label it as prime, prime. Questions about number 2? My time is up, okay? So I'm going to leave this here for you to write it. Please do not forget to graph it, okay? We need to go to the Canvas page, please. Spokesperson, what y'all get? What y'all get? A, B, C, or D? D, okay. Table 2. D, table 3. Okay, y'all didn't finish. That's fine. Table 4.
B.
B. Okay.
B.
Okay, you can say it right. Okay. I couldn't understand that. Table 6. Table 7. That's you.
B.
Table 8. Shh. All right, B. Okay, look. Shh. This is what you could do. It's more than one way to do a problem as such, okay? But I heard table 3 and from a distance, table 4, think about this. I'm going to clear my calculator, 2nd plus 7, 1, 2. And this is how, another way, not to say anybody else did, but that's just what I heard. You have to figure out what the equation is to figure out what number is going to fit. And there is an easy way to do this. But what 2 points am I going to use? The only 2 points that they give me, right? -3 and -4, and then 4 and 10. This is calculator active, so I can use my calculator to figure out what the equation is in slope-intercept form. Okay, so look, I'm going to do that. I'm go to stat. Please do this with me. Then press enter on edit. And now I'm going to type in these ordered pairs. So when I type in these ordered pairs, what goes under L1 is the X values, -3 and 4. What goes under L2 is the Y values, -4 and 10. So that's what I'm going to type in.
Miss Ray, do we write that down? Do we write that down?
Yes, baby, I'm sorry. Okay. So now, where do I go to do a linear regress? Where do I go? Yes.
No.
Okay, come on. Stat again. Very good, babe. Over the calc. Down to 4. Great job. Enter twice. All right, so our equation, you see this? What's our equation here? Y equals 2x. What else? Plus 2. Thank you. This is the equation. Okay? So we're going to use this equation to find other points that are actually on the line, okay? So we're going to go to y equals. Please go to y equals. And now let's type in the equation. Let's type in 2x plus 2. Please type that in. Now we're going to view the function table. Does anybody remember how to view the function table? Yes. Second graph. Second and graph. So when we go to second and graph, we're going to look to see we got -3s already in. It's up here. -3 and -4. That's right. And then let's look for where y is 4. When y is 4, what's x? 1. So a is 1. And then we're looking for what y is when x 20. Is, and what is y? 20. This number right here is 20. So what letter is that? What letter is that? What letter is that? What'd you say? What letter?
Oh, I meant D.
D. Very good. Okay, so let's look at number 2. So most of us got that right. Good job. All right. Did we finish number 2 or no?
No.
All right, I'm going to pause for the calls and give you 2 minutes to do that one, please. All right, good folks. Table 1, what did you all get?
We did not finish.
You did not finish. Okay, table 2. B, table 3. Okay, table 4. Okay, table 6. B, what did you all get here? Okay, and then the back table. Okay. All right, so B seems to be popular. Look at this. Please, didn't I ask you stop beating? You don't think it's disruptive, but it is. Okay? Shh. All right, that's fine. Okay, look. What is the rate of change? They're asking for the slope. In order to find the slope, you use the slope formula. Okay? So this is x1, y1, first point. x2, y2, second point. So now we have y2 on the top minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What does that give us on the top?
3.
I mean, what numbers do we substitute? I should have said it like that.
-1 is 0.
-1 minus
0.
8. On the bottom.
Come on, Christian.
Shh. What do we put on the bottom? That's why I was telling you when I was over there that your letters was in the wrong place. All right. What do you put on the bottom?
3 and 0.
3 minus 0. Good job, babe. Okay. Now, what do we get on the top? Caden?
Oh, on the top, -1 minus 8.
What is what, baby? -9. Very good. No. Now on the bottom, table 3, what you all get? 3. So now when we divide, -9 divided by 3, what's that?
3.
-3, somebody said. So the slope should be -3. Can we cancel any of these out? Which ones can we eliminate? C and D we can eliminate. Now look, y'all, remember when we did this table the other day, the y-intercept is always going to be where x is 0. X is 0 right here. So the y-intercept is 8. That's going to be B. They gave you the y-intercept. Anytime you see where x is equal to 0, that y value is going to be the y-intercept. This is your y-intercept. It only works when the x value is 0. If it's not, then you have to find it another way. Any questions? All right, so now let's look at number 3, please. I'm going to set the timer. Stop. I'm going to set the timer there. All right, we're going to start with table 8 this time. Table 8, what did you get for the slope? -5 is the correct answer. How many people got that? Raise your hand. Perfect. All right, number 4, what is the y-intercept? There's only 2 numbers here. There's only 2 numbers here. Okay, we're going to label M and B. Which one of those numbers is the slope?
M.
Which is?
4.
No. No.
Just guessing.
I know. Think about what you're saying. Now you're just guessing.
Wait, what do you guys?
Come on, guys. There ain't but 2 numbers there.
4 and -7.
Yeah, it's 4 or -7. Which one is the slope?
4.
-7. The number that is attached to x is the slope.
Oh, it's flipped around.
All right. So now what's the y-intercept? +4. Okay. All right. So now we're going to do number 5. Now we're doing number 5. Okay. Which one's the missing value? We're doing number 5. I'm going to set the timer. Please read. We just did number 4, baby.
No, are you not paying attention?
All right, so what answer did we get? Let's start with table 7. What did y'all get?
We're not gonna.
Okay, table 6.
For number 5, it's gonna be 16.
Okay, all right, good deal. All right, let's see how we can get that.
8 minus 2.
Look, it's giving you an equation right here. I just saw that. This is the same as saying y is equal to 8x. It's the same thing, okay? What is the slope here? What's the slope? And the slope is 8 because this is 8. What would be the y-intercept for this equation?
16.
No. 0. You don't see a y-intercept in this equation. The y-intercept is 0, okay? All right, so if it's going up by 8 every single time, what am I going to do to get this number right here? No, add. Going up by 8, you're adding 8 to get to the next number. If I multiply by 8, 8 times 8, 64, that wouldn't make sense, would it? Linear is not multiplying to get to the next term. It's adding or subtracting to get to the next number. So you add 8 here, so this would be 16. Raise your hand if you got that right. All right, good.
Oh, you said that? I didn't hear you.
Okay. All right. Number 6. Let's do this one, please. Pause for the cause. Table 1. What did you all get as an answer choice?
B.
B. B is the correct answer. All right. So now look. Shh. Calm down, please. This is why we probably not gonna do the bathroom tomorrow either. Because listen, what we do is y'all are being very disruptive. You're taking something that's so simple, a group assignment, and you're being disruptive with it. Cut it out. Shh. Oh my God. All right, here we go. B is the correct answer. Let's look at why the others is not the correct answer. The high temperature. Okay, I can't. I'm gonna stop here because I gotta make sure I have a really good positive attitude for the rest of my classes, and this ain't gonna work. Okay, so let me just pause. The high temperature. Okay, notice how these letters all start with this one right here. The high temperature increased. This is L. This temperature didn't decrease. This temperature stayed the same. So that's why A is not true, because the temperature didn't change the whole time. For B, Memphis, that's M. This is Memphis right here. Decreased at a steady rate. Yeah, that line is going down. So it decreased at a steady rate. This so far is the best answer. C, initially the high temperature was warmer in Phoenix. This is Phoenix right here. This is the initial temperature right here for Phoenix. And the initial temperature for Memphis is right here. Well, Memphis temperature started off high and it decreased. So this is not true either. The high temperature in Phoenix rose faster. Okay, look, the one that had the steepest slope that's going the fastest is N. This slope is a lot steeper. So that's why this is not the answer either. Okay, number 7. All right, do 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Let me pause for the calls.